Hello friends, myself Fatima Begum, research scholar. This video is aimed to explain the details about the topic dexamethasone and its use in critically ill COVID-19 patients. So let's start the video and look in detail into the topic. Let's start with the explanation given by World Health Organization in their official website. The WHO welcomed the initial clinical trial. This clinical trial is from UK and it shows that the dexamethasone, which is a corticosteroid, it can be a life-saving for patients. The patients who are critically ill with COVID-19. That is, for the patients on ventilators, the treatment showed to reduce mortality, that is the death rate, by about 1/3. And for the patients who require only oxygen, the mortality was cut by about 1/5, according to the preliminary findings shared with WHO. So the thing which we need to carefully understand here is that the benefit was only seen in patients who are seriously ill with COVID-19, and it was not observed in patients with milder disease. This has to be taken into account, and the benefit is only for patients who are seriously ill with COVID-19. We know that dexamethasone is actually a steroid and it has been used since 1916 to reduce the inflammatory disorders and also used in certain types of cancers. WHO, its essential list of medicines, it also has this dexamethasone since 1977 in multiple formulation, and it is currently off patent and affordably available in most of the countries, this dexamethasone. World Health Organization is waiting for the full data analysis. Only the preliminary have been released. World Health Organization is waiting for the full data analysis in the coming days. So we can now look into what is dexamethasone. Dexamethasone, it belongs to glucocorticoids or corticosteroids. Other agents of this group are hydrocortisone, methylprednisolone, beta-methasone, etc. This dexamethasone is a synthetic hormone. It is a long-acting, potent synthetic steroid available in oral formulation, that is available as tablet, topical, available as ointment, and also IV injection. What are the indications of dexamethasone? It is used in several types of cancer, that is tumor compressing spine. It is used in multiple myeloid. Then it is used in specific forms of tuberculosis, severe asthma. Next, what is recovery trial? Recovery trial, the full form is randomized evaluation of COVID-19 therapy. It is actually the largest randomized clinical trial which is undergone in United Kingdom, which is underway in United Kingdom. And what is the aim of this trial? The aim of this trial is to evaluate the possible treatment for COVID-19. 11,500 patients have been enrolled in the trial from 175 National Health Service hospitals. And what was the findings regarding dexamethasone in this trial? Dexamethasone is a potent drug. So a specific low dose of dexamethasone per day was administered to about 2,104 patients for about 10 days. And 4,321 patients were provided standard care, that is without dexamethasone treatment. That is a control. Without dexamethasone treatment, one group is there which consists of 4,321 patients, and another group is there which consists of 2,104 patients who are given dexamethasone. The death rate at 28 days was compared between these two groups. What is the preliminary result? The preliminary result is that dexamethasone reduced death by 1/3 in ventilated patients and 1/5 in other patients receiving oxygen only. There was no benefit among those patients who did not require respiratory support. WHO is waiting for the final result. Then dexamethasone and COVID-19. How dexamethasone is effective in COVID-19? So many researchers have been going throughout the world to explain the correct mechanism. The mechanism may be this, we can say like that. That is, we know that this dexamethasone has anti-inflammatory property, and COVID-19, it is an viral disease. So initially there is a high overload of virus in our body, and our immune response, it is low. If we have a good immune response, that is a heightened good immune response, we may be able to clear this virus. Those who does not have a good immune response or an heightened immune response, they will go to the next phase. And this next phase, it consists of disarrayed immune response. That is, a release of a large amount of pro-inflammatory mediators occurred in this phase. And these pro-inflammatory mediators or cytokines, which is this cytokines or pro-inflammatory mediators, they will damage the normal organs and tissues, especially the lungs, which can lead to the major complication of this COVID-19, pneumonia. And also other symptoms also start. So dexamethasone, it helps to tone down this immune response when it gone to the bad stage. From this we should have an idea that it is given only to the, and it is effective, it is found to be effective only to the critically ill patients. Anyway, the final results have yet to be released. The whole world is eagerly waiting for it. Let's hope that everything would be back to normal very soon. One thing which we need to give careful care is that dexamethasone should not be used unwantedly. It should not be used by normal people, or it should not be used by the people who have mild disease, COVID-19 mild disease. Because this is a steroid, it has unwanted side effects. It may increase the blood sugar level. It may lead to the unwanted clot formation, etc. We can conclude that no complete cure for COVID-19 has been discovered so far, and the administration of dexamethasone to normal people without disease or those with mild COVID-19 disease may be harmful. Let's hope for the final result, which is published in the World Health Organization website also. And let's hope everything would be back to normal soon. Thank you.